smile and play. We'll draw something new every day.
Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Create. Today, we're drawing a super cute seal from the number 6. But that's not all. There's more fun waiting for you. Stick around to find out. Did you know? Seals are basically underwater gymnasts. They can do flips, twists, and spins in the water. But on land, they look like they're doing a funny belly flop to move around. You're doing an amazing job. Remember, it's okay if your lines aren't perfect. Mine aren't always either. That's what makes art fun. Now that our drawing is complete, it's time to bring it to life with colors. And here's something exciting. This exact drawing is available as a free coloring page for you to download. The link is in the description below, so don't miss it. Remember, you can choose any color you like. Let your imagination run wild and make it your own masterpiece. Wow! You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to download the free coloring page link in the description. It's the perfect way to color this drawing as many times as you like. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more drawing adventures. See you next time.